Did you know that a single cup of fresh pineapple contains more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C? Or that pineapple is one of the only sources of a unique enzyme called bromelain, which is known for its remarkable health-promoting properties? These surprising facts set the stage for a deeper look at why pineapple isn't just a tropical treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that brings a host of health benefits to your table. Pineapple has been enjoyed for centuries, revered not only for its sweet, tangy flavor, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. Whether eaten fresh, added to smoothies, or incorporated into savory dishes, pineapple offers a delicious way to boost your well-being. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle to get enough essential vitamins and minerals, leading to common issues like fatigue, lowered immunity, and poor digestion. That's where pineapple shines, offering a natural solution to some of the most pressing dietary challenges. Let's face it, meeting our daily nutritional needs can be challenging. Between busy schedules, limited access to fresh produce, and the temptation of processed foods, it's easy to fall short on important nutrients like vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber. Many people also face digestive discomfort, inflammation, or frequent colds, all of which can be influenced by what we eat. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods like pineapple into your diet can make a real difference, helping to fill nutritional gaps and support overall health. So, what exactly makes pineapple so beneficial? First, let's talk about its vitamin content. Pineapple is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function, skin health, and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Vitamin C also helps protect the body against harmful free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases over time. Just 1 cup of pineapple provides more than the daily requirement for most adults, making it an easy and delicious way to keep your immune system strong. But the benefits of pineapple don't stop there. This tropical fruit is also an excellent source of manganese, a mineral that supports bone health, metabolism, and antioxidant defenses. Additionally, pineapple provides dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining regular digestion and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. For those who struggle with constipation or irregularity, pineapple can be a gentle and natural way to promote digestive health. Perhaps the most unique component of pineapple is bromelain, a group of enzymes that has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Bromelain is found in both the fruit and the stem of the pineapple plant, and it helps break down proteins in the digestive tract, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. This enzyme has also been shown to reduce inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis, sinusitis, and even minor injuries. In fact, bromelain is often used as a natural remedy to reduce swelling and speed up recovery after surgery or physical trauma. Let's take a closer look at how pineapple supports digestion. Many people experience bloating, discomfort, or indigestion after meals, especially when consuming protein-rich foods. Bromelain in pineapple acts as a natural digestive aid, helping to break down complex proteins into smaller, more manageable molecules. This not only eases the digestive process, but also enhances nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the maximum benefit from the foods you eat. Over time, regularly consuming pineapple may contribute to improved gut health, reduced digestive discomfort, and better overall nutrient status. The anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain are equally impressive. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. By reducing inflammation, pineapple may help lower the risk of these conditions and promote faster healing after injuries. Some studies suggest that bromelain may even have mild pain-relieving effects, making pineapple a natural choice for those seeking to manage discomfort without relying solely on medication. Another compelling benefit of pineapple is its ability to support a healthy immune system. In addition to vitamin C, pineapple contains a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work together to strengthen your body's defenses. Regular consumption of pineapple has been linked to a reduced risk of respiratory infections, faster recovery from the common cold, and improved wound healing. For those who are frequently exposed to germs or prone to getting sick, adding pineapple to your diet can be a tasty way to boost resilience. Let's not forget the role pineapple can play in supporting skin health. The high vitamin C content supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining firm, youthful skin. The antioxidants in pineapple also help protect the skin from damage caused by sun exposure and environmental pollutants. Some people even use pineapple juice topically to brighten the complexion or reduce inflammation, though care should be taken due to its acidity. Of all these benefits, perhaps the most compelling reason to include pineapple in your diet is its powerful support for digestion and gut health. A healthy gut is the foundation for overall wellness, affecting everything from energy levels to mood, immunity, and even brain health. By providing natural enzymes, fiber, and nutrients, pineapple helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, allowing you to feel your best every day. To sum up, pineapple is a true nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, all of which contribute to a healthy immune system, strong bones, and optimal digestion. The unique enzyme bromelain sets pineapple apart, offering anti-inflammatory benefits and acting as a natural digestive aid. Whether you're looking to support your immune system, improve gut health, or simply enjoy a delicious and refreshing snack, pineapple is a fantastic addition to any diet. If you're looking to take your health to the next level, don't overlook the power of pineapple. Its impressive range of benefits, from boosting immunity to aiding digestion, makes it a fruit worth enjoying regularly. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up a fresh pineapple or a container of pre-cut slices. You'll be doing your body a world of good. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the health benefits of your favorite foods, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more tips on how to eat well, feel great, and live your healthiest life.